Hello students, so far we have completed 3 chapters and I hope you might have completed these all chapters in your maths notebook itself. So now let's go further with chapter number 4, parts and wholes. First let me tell what is wholes. Whole means complete or full, means having all the parts, not divided or cut into parts or pieces. And now let me tell what is part. What do you mean by part? Part means portion or pieces. That means part means one of the pieces, section, etc. So here we understood what is parts and what is wholes. Now let's continue with this chapter and with the topic our flag. You must have seen the flag of our country. Do you know how to draw the flag? So I am sure that you know how to draw the flag. And I am also sure that you have seen the flag of our country. You can see here our national flag, the flag of our country. It is of tricolor, orange, white and green. So here question is asked, draw a rectangle of length 9 cm and width 6 cm, divide it into 3 equal parts. So first draw a rectangle of 9 cm, that means take the measurement with a scale of length 9 cm and width 6 cm and then divide it into 3 equal parts. If width is 6 cm, then you can divide it into 2 cm, 2 cm and 2 cm. Like that you can divide it into 3 equal parts and complete the flag. So let's look at our flag when it will be drawn. So here is the question, do you know to draw the flag? Draw a rectangle of length. Actually here there should be 9 cm, not 8 cm. 9 cm and width 6 cm. Divide it into 3 equal parts and complete the flag. Then the top 1/3 of our flag is saffron or orange. That you know, here is given this our national flag and 1/3 means the top 1/3. Total 3 parts here and each part will be called 1/3 part. So this is the top 1/3 part, then middle 1/3 and this is last 1/3 part. So the top 1/3 of our flag is saffron or orange. You can see here in the picture of our flag. This 1/3 of our flag is saffron or orange. Now what is the color of the middle 1/3 of the flag? Where will you draw the Ashoka Chakra? So you can see here that middle part is white and we shall draw the Ashoka Chakra in the middle of this 1/3 part of white. And how much of the flag will you color green? So 1/3 part I will color green. Is the white color now less than 1/3 of the flag? Why? So let us see this all answer here. Yes, I know how to draw the flag, this flag. And here the color of the middle 1/3 of the flag is white. This is the color of the middle 1/3 of the flag is white. This is white color. Now I will draw the Ashoka Chakra in the middle of the white portion of the flag. So this is white portion and in the middle of this white portion we shall draw this Ashoka Chakra. So here is, we can write answer. I will draw the Ashoka Chakra in the middle of the white portion of the flag and then I will color 1/3 of the flag is green. This is third part of this flag. Total how many parts? 3 parts. And then question here is is the white color now less than 1/3 of the flag? Why? Now it is not 1/3 of the flag because Ashoka Chakra occupies some white portion. This Ashoka Chakra occupies some white portion. So now it is not a 1/3, it is less than 1/3 of the flag. Because of the blue Ashoka Chakra, the white portion is a little less than 1/3 of the flag. So here these all are the answer. Now look at this flag. How much of it is black? The green part of the flag can be written as, and is red less than 1/3 of the flag? Why? So here this is the flag of Afghanistan, and you can see here that here total 3 parts are there. Each part occupies 1/3 of this flag. Black color also 1/3, red color it is less than 1/3 because of this sign occupies some portion of this red. So it is not exactly 1/3, it is little less than 1/3, and here this green part also occupies 1/3 of the flag. Now let us see these all answers. This is the flag of Afghanistan. Now look at this flag, how much of it is black? So 1/3 of the flag is black. Then question B, the green part of the flag can be written as 1/3 because it occupies 1/3 part. Is red less than 1/3 of the flag? Why? So we can write yes, the red part is a little less than 1/3 of a flag. Why? Because this is of the white emblem in the red portion. This is white emblem and it occupies red portion of the flag. This is the flag of Myanmar, our neighbor. Is blue more than 1/4 of the flag or less? If we observe here, it is less than 1/4 of the flag because of this white emblem. It occupies some portion of the blue, so it is less than 1/4. And guess how much of the flag is red? Is it more than half? Yes, obviously here if we see it is more than half. And is it more than 3/4? Yes, it is more than 3/4 because here 1, 2, 3 parts and these 2 parts little more than half. So we can say that it is more than 3/4. Let's see the answer of these questions. Question, is blue more than 1/4 of the flag or less? The blue color is a little less than 1/4 of the flag. This is because of the white emblem in the blue portion, as I have said. Then guess how much of the flag is red? It is more than half. Is it more than 3/4? Yes, it is more than half of the flag and it is also more than 3/4. Okay. Let's move on to the next page. Here, find out. Collect as many flags as you can. And then how many flags have 3 colors? Are all the colored parts equal in these flags? So let's see the answer of these questions. Here I am showing you some national flag of the country. So this is the flag of USA and this is the flag of Azerbaijan country. This is independent country in Western Asia and Southern East, and this is the national flag of United Kingdom. This is the national flag of Venezuela. So flags of Ghana, Azerbaijan, Malaysia and Venezuela have 3 colors. So you can draw these all flags in your math notebook. Now this is the flag of the math club in a school in Kerala. What part of the flag is colored red and what part is green? So you can see here, this is the flag of math club in a school in Kerala. Total how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts. Total 5 parts. So what part of the flag is colored red? So here 1 and 2. 2 parts are colored red. So we can write here in fraction 2/5 part of the flag is in red color. Now what part is green? So out of total 5 part, 1 part is colored green. So 1/5 part is green. Now see this black logo, draw it. So and right there we can draw the black logo as under, and then draw this black logo in your math notebook. Now here is a question. Is there a math club in your school? If not, ask your teacher how to set it up. Design a flag for your math club. Draw it here. So here space is given. Here you can draw a flag for your math club. So no, there is no math club in my school. I have requested my teacher to help us in setting up a math club